How to change phone number in your Amazon Prime account. So hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can change your phone number in your Amazon account. So first thing, head over to your browser and log into your Amazon official account, and once you're inside here, from here you can simply select here from in your account section, and from here just click on accounts option, and once you click on it you will see the option called login and security. So when you click on it, you will be redirected to this page where it will be you'll be showing shown a primary mobile number. If you haven't added, you need to add, but if you already have, you can simply change it from here by simply clicking on this change button and by adding a phone number according to your country and clicking continue and saving it. So that's exactly how you can easily change your phone number on your Prime account. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.